Yeah, absolutely. Tell Daddy what we're doing so he can.
What are we doing, Avery?
Putting cookies on.
And why did you choose this plate?
Because it's the bigger one.
It's the biggest one. Oh, that's a lot of cookies for Santa. You think that's enough?
Nah, maybe one more. Because this one fits here. That's all.
Okay. Do you think we should put anything else on Santa's tray?
Sure.
What do you think we should put?
Apple.
An apple. Should I cut it, or do you want to not have it cut?
He wants it cut.
I have to cut it for him? Okay.
Are you sure about that, Avery?
I'll cut it.
Yeah.
I'll cut it for Santa.
Okay.
Is he in a hurry?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything else we should put for Santa?
Orange.
Oh, an orange.
Maybe just the apple.
Just an apple? Okay.
And then just cookies.
Just the apple and cookies.
Apple and cookies.
And you want me to cut it, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we leave something for Santa to drink?
Sure. Milk.
No. Okay.
He likes milk. I'll put the apple on there.
Okay. I'll cut it up and then you can put it on.
Okay. And I'll put it on. Right? And the cookies will be yummy for him.
And then you made the card, right?